Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed and so guys, in today's video I'm going to discuss about the new feature that is added to YouTube. YouTube is kept evolving since it was created and now they have added some new features. So let's get started and let's talk about those features. So guys, without wasting any time, let's roll the intro. So guys, the topic we are going to discuss about today is the YouTube chapters or the sections that you can add into your video that are automatically created on your video when you just make some changes in the description. So guys, how we have to do this, let me just show you in detail in the dashboard of Technoxity. So let's get back to the dashboard. So first of all, if you don't know how to get here, just go open a new tab, open YouTube on your laptop or a PC or your mobile phone and just head over to a desktop site if you're using a mobile phone. Then click on your icon or your logo and then go to YouTube Studio. So you will land up onto your dashboard. So this is the channel dashboard now, and you'll have all your whatever elements you have placed wherever necessary. So here you will have to head over to your video section and open up the video you want to make changes to. So as you can see, today's video, that is how to stop the coronavirus caller tune in your mobile phone. The latest tips was given by me there. And if you have a video where you may need to make changes, so in this video let's edit that video and just show you. So here, as you can see the description, there is no special thing here. So how you guys can add the timestamps or the chapters in your video is make sure you watch the video completely. I mean the video that you want to make changes to. So open up the video, watch it carefully, and then just go ahead and add timestamps. Like you will have to have this 0:00, that is your start. Let me just add up intro there, and then I think we need a hyphen between there, and then next step is let's head over to 10 seconds more and then just add up 10 seconds there, and from 10 seconds is the first part, and then the next maybe around after 50 seconds, let's place it to 50, and second part, and then maybe around the video duration is almost 4 minutes, so let me add up some 2 minutes 30 seconds. That's going to be the conclusion part. Let me just make these changes and save it and show you my actual video, but then I'll not have these changes on the video, but I'll just make some changes to it later by watching my video completely. I have just added up random timestamps there just to show you how this works. So let me click save and play the video and show it to you guys. So now if I open this link in a new tab, the video will start as usual, but then there will be some changes. So just watch what are the changes. Okay, no internet. Okay, there is some error. Just wait a second, I'll just be back with it. So guys, we are back, and if you guys think I have made some changes there, let me close that and open it up again. Open link in new tab, and then I'll just show you what the changes are that I have made to the video, and let the page load up, and let's see the video how it works. So guys, I'll just fast forward this part. So guys, I actually made a mess there, so let's continue the video from here again, and let me just open this link up in a new tab again. So hope my internet works properly now, and yeah, it's working. And over here, if you guys can see the video, you can see these divisions over here, and if I tap have my pointer on this thing, if I hover just over it, it will just show me intro, then first part, then second part, and the conclusion. This is how YouTube chapters work. It will just divide your video into few chapters, and then your audience can watch it in different chapters and not waste time, and just head over to your description and then move on to the topic by clicking on the timestamp over here, or they can just hover over the divisions here and then just select the part they want to go in. And this is how YouTube chapters works, guys. If you guys want more updates like these, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video, and meet you in the next one. Until then, stay subscribed, become a Technoxian. Goodbye.